In this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix a video moderated error in Grok AI. Let's get started. First, launch a Grok app on our device. Now go to the video you are trying to upload or view. If it says video moderated, this usually means the system flagged it for content review or detected something that violates the platform rules. Start by checking your video content. Make sure it does not contain prohibited material such as copyrighted music, explicit content, or sensitive topics. Editing or removing these parts often resolves the issue. Next, clear the app cache. For that, close this. Launch your Settings app. Now navigate to the option General. Click on the option iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find Grok and launch it. Now click on the option of Float app. Click on a Float app again to confirm it. Likewise, in the Android device, press and hold on the app. Click on the eye icon. Navigate to the option Storage. Then click on Clear Cache. With these, your problem might be resolved. Lastly, what you can do is check for the app updates. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Grok. After app appears, if you see the option Update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Lastly, check your internet connection, and that's it. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.